सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाइन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation Advanced Level, Shaheen Test 1 of Exercise 8 of Newspaper Notes, Dictation Speed 80 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand, total time 46 minutes. Ready? Start. The foremost is that of credibility, which is becoming more intense with every election. Full stop. Each of the past 11 general elections has been confronted with the peculiar set of issues. Full stop. The same murderer's DNA had been found in the previous six cases. Full stop. The 18th Amendment added local government elections to the responsibilities of the ECP, but this additional duty did not come with the required enhancement of human resources. Full stop. For starters, it must be the police duty to report a crime related to a child, semicolon. A hotline should be established for children's cases in all provinces, semicolon. Identities of children should be kept confidential in closed hearings, semicolon. There must be better training of law enforcement agencies, and better and more available forensics, semicolon. More female medico-legal officers and more women police personnel are required, semicolon, and there should be a special code for examining vulnerable witnesses in court. Full stop. Regular media briefings by a senior and articulate ECP official should be considered, especially during the election season. Full stop. The resolution from the National Assembly to publicly hang those convicted of murdering and sexually abusing children reflects how brutalized our society has become. Full stop. Justice Sayyid Mansoor Ali Shah, then Chief Justice of the Lahore High Court, while hearing a petition in Zainab's case, expressed surprise that despite reports of similar incidents in Kasur, none of the cases were brought to court. Full stop. The use of social media does bring additional challenges, but the ECP should seriously consider whether it can do without it in this day and age. Full stop. This is not news, but the lack of real priority according to children makes it easier to resort to rhetoric than actual work. Full stop. The ECP established a political finance wing some time back, but both the quality and quantity of its staffing needs urgent attention. Full stop. Most effective checks on excessive spending by candidates are possible through effective monitoring of the election campaign at the constituency level, as India has successfully done over the past elections, while the words is performing a general consensus against cruel and in inhumane punishments such as hanging, the majority of our political leaders feel that a criminal's barbarity should also be answered with barbarity by the state. Full stop. It is a triple jeopardy for people as they are overly vulnerable to climate induced stresses and disasters, increasingly becoming hostage to price shocks with eroded purchasing power for nutritious foods, and unable to be fully productive and engaged in national development in a rapidly contracting economy that has one of the lowest growth rates in the region. Full stop. Continues training of its staff is a must, and the Elections Training Academy established within the ECP should be put to intensive use all year round for this purpose. Full stop. The state was missing until social media created a public uproar and the ensuing Routing was reported widely on mainstream media. Full stop. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has warned that increased carbon dioxide levels lower the nutrition value of crops such as wheat and rice, disturbing in particular the concentration levels of protein, zinc, and iron. Stop rating, please.